Hi everyone, my name is Gaurav, and in this video I'm going to talk about Dynamics 365 Business Central Usage Analytics Report. So this is an app which is published by Microsoft, and it is available for free in App Store. So to use this report, one must have Azure subscription associated with their account. That's one. And second one is, in the prerequisite, I have already added this report in my workspace, and under the dataset setting, here I am at the parameter section. So you can see application insight application ID is required. So for this you will have to create a application insight resource in your Azure environment. So I have already created the one. So here so how, first of all, you have to configure the application insight connection string. So you have to copy the connection string from here, and then I will switch to my Business Central application. So this is my app. So this is a sandbox account. So here in the settings you will see the admin center. So here in the admin center you will have to select the environment first. So for example, I am here at I'm selecting the production environment. So once I click on production environment, you will see an option here which is saying application insight connection string. So we have to modify it, and you have to click on the enable option over here, and then you just have to paste the connection string which we have copied from the Azure portal. So, and you just have to hit on save. So this is done. So now our application insight is configured with the Business Central app. So now we have Business Central app, and here in the application insight you will find the required ID under API access. So as you can see, this is the application insight ID. So you just have to copy this, and if I go back to the dataset setting, I have pasted the application insight ID. Now I just have to apply. So I have already applied it. So here in the app, if you can see here, so I have 4 tenants associated with my application insight. That's why I'm here I'm getting the data for actually 6 different environments. So this is how you can use the Dynamics 365 Business Central usage app. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.